India boasts of the third highest startup companies after the USA and China. And robotics has been a driving factor to this growth. Meanwhile, robots have evolved much from assembling machine parts to now as humanoid robots, from giant arms loading cargo to delivery bots of Starship technologies. So, it is no-brainer that robotics can help power economies along with making the technology leap in the domestic market, much like its other Asian leaders, like South Korea, China, and Japan. Hey aspirants, welcome to Indo Business. Here are the top 10 robotics startups in India. 1. Asimov Robotics is a single-window solution and services provider who can meet all robotics/automation needs. They provide engineering products, solutions, and consultancy in areas like robotic simulation and control, machine vision, training, virtual reality, and navigation applications. Their main products include research robots, example: Lamarck Humanoid, Xterabot, medical robots, Cranio Robot, service robots, APSRA Mini Service Robot, and defense robots. Apart from robots, they offer several other robotics services too. 2. Sastra Robotics. This startup builds and delivers robotic solutions for human-like automated functional testing of real physical devices. Since 2013, its products are being used by OEMs and service providers to expedite test cycles and reduce the time to market for their products. The company is into building mobile robots, telepresence robots, robot interfacing and simulation software, robot APIs, open-source robotic libraries, and a prosthetic robotic arm. Its SCARA, Selective Compliance Articulated Robotic Arm, robot can perform repetitive tasks for uses such as moving products, milling, or even 3D printing, and is being used by Bosch to test touch screens. 3. Systemantics. This is actually an industrial robotics startup that aims to enable the widespread adoption of flexible automation in industry. They offer various products such as core technologies of robotic arms, AC servo motors, servo motion controllers, speed reducers, etc. The startup offers cost-effective solutions to many big names in the robotics market. Systemantics is on a mission to drive widespread adoption of flexible automation globally by providing sensible robotics to simplify user experience through patented design innovations. 4. Gridbots. Headquartered at Ahmedabad, this company's robots find application in the defense, space, nuclear, and industrial sectors. Gridbot's underwater robot can clean water tanks in homes, large buildings, and in industrial settings. Their first client was Indian Navy, and since then Gridbots has come a long way. Today Gridbots serves some of the leading PSUs, public sector units, in the country such as ONGC, ISRO, and National Gas Corporation among others. 5. De facto. This is a robotics and automation startup which offers turnkey industrial automation systems and solutions with industrial robots. Its solution offerings include automotive BIW weld lines, manual and robot automated, arc welding lines and cells, robot-based systems for machine tending, sealing, foundry, plastic cutting, and other major industrial applications. De facto's generic software services include Process Simulate, formerly RobCAD, Delmia, CIM Station Robotics, CSR. Its robot-specific software products are RoboGuide, Robot Studio, and Motosim. 6. Gray Orange. This startup creates robots for the warehousing and automation space. It designs, manufactures, and deploys advanced robotic systems for automation at distribution and fulfillment centers. Its flagship product, the Butler System, is a high-tech material handling system that simultaneously improves speed, accuracy, productivity, and flexibility. It consists of a grid of paths across a warehouse floor on which fast-moving mobile robots traverse, fetching racks of items to a packer. Once the packer removes the item and packs it for shipping, the racks are replaced back in their place by the robots. 7. Omnipresent Robot Tech. Founded by XiRobot and Carnegie Mellon alumni, this robotics startup has developed UAVs and river cleaning robots, apart from robots for home and healthcare. Its clients include the Center for Artificial Intelligence and Robotics, CARE, ISRO, and Defense Terrain Research Laboratory. One of their products, Robot, is an autonomous river cleaning robot that uses groundbreaking technology and promises to clean rivers back to a pristine clean state. The rowboat was piloted and successfully tested in the Yamuna and Ganga rivers in India. USAID recognized it as top 5 innovations of 2013 in the area of water and sanitation. 8. Gate Autonomous Systems is a startup that focuses on becoming a world leader in the robotics domain by introducing state-of-the-art social and service robots that could communicate with human beings and their surroundings. Its flagship product is Advertron, a marketing and advertising robot that can play music and speak English, interact with smart devices, knows where it is and where it needs to go, and move safely and smoothly around people and objects. The robot can also be used as a mobile information desk, tour guide, brand mascot, or entertainment robot for your shops, shopping malls, trade fairs, exhibitions, museums, and for marketing events of any kind. 9. Mukunda Foods. It is basically a kitchen robotics company aiming to reduce dependability on labor, elevate consumer experience, and help brands expand faster. Its premier product, Dosamatic, is a world's first automated tabletop dosa making machine, can make 50 dosas per hour. Dosamatic can make multiple types of dosas at the touch of a button. 10. Invento Robotics. This startup rose prominence with its 5-foot-tall Mitra robot, which was first shown off at India's 2017 Global Entrepreneurship Summit, where it greeted Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The robot is designed for the service industry and can interact with customers as well as provide autonomous navigation. Now the startup repurposed its robots to help doctors and healthcare workers with screening in case they are exposed to infected patients. Currently, Mitra can do accurate thermal screening with advanced computer vision and ask relevant questions through voice. It can connect the patients to their family and loved ones via video, thus helps in improving the mental well-being and accelerate recovery. These are some of the robotic companies in India. Please do subscribe to our channel Indo Business and click on the bell icon for more notifications. Do not forget to like, share and comment.